One way you can actually use Captivate really quickly is just taking photos. In this case, I have a simple photo that I downloaded off the internet and put it onto the desktop. And all I've done is I've just simply got it here, and I can just highlight certain things, point out what may or may not be labeled, and use my cursor so that people can follow. So after this, I'm going to go transition to show what fritzing's like, and then we'll then see a video. And unfortunately, the video does require a little bit more editing, but you'll get the general sense of what Captivate can do for the teaching funding project. This is a demo of Adobe Captivate showcasing fritzing, and this is with the full motion, so you can see that my mouse is basically documenting every single action that I do on screen. So if I were to say drop in a basic Arduino, I click on the Arduino palette, and you notice that all of the preordained Arduinos will load up, and you notice that as my cursor goes over each and every single one of these icons, I have the various Arduino processors to pick from, whether it's the Explora to, of course, the Mega. So let's click and drag the Mega onto the breadboard, and as you can see right here, it loads up and we can see everything. And again, this is the live motion, so you can see all of the documentation going on. And I'm going to end it here, but I'm going to also show you the shortcut modes with the other type of documentation through Captivate. And now here we go with another model where it documents basically only my clicks. So if I were to simply press Control 3, I can view my schematic, as you can see right here. It's not pretty, but you can see the schematic is on screen like that. And if I go to View, I can also switch back and press Control 2, so I can switch back to that form. But you notice that in this case, it documents the shortcuts that I use. So if I press Control 3, that is the change that I document. Here we go. We have a basic board that we actually made. As you can see, it's actually custom. And we also have a multiplex board. Okay, that's us creating this. These are basic cables that connect the power sources on the breadboard, and this is the mother of invention, the actual Arduino. In this case, it happens to be a Freeduino. If I had better lighting, you'd be able to see it.